Tigil!
Ginagawa mo! Tigil! Tigil! Baba mo yung hawak mo! Baba mo yung kamay mo! Bakit pa lang dahan-dahan? Baba! Patrol Woman Biado, you are arrested for the crime of robbery. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement or identity in court of your decision. You have the right to have your competent and independent counsel, preferably by your own choice. If you cannot afford the service of the counsel, the government will provide one for you.
Kasi baka may makadalang pagnanakay. So, ayun ka palang mamanahan. So, walang kita. Ano man ang iwan sabihin ay maaaring gamitin sa board o laban sa iyo. So, maaaring